climate change has been a growing concern for decades. In this documentary, we explore the potential heat projections for the year 2050. Let's start by understanding what climate change really means. Over the past century, the Earth's average temperature has been steadily rising due to increased greenhouse gas emissions. Historically, there have been natural variations in climate, but the current rate of change is unprecedented. Today, we are at a critical juncture. The current state of our climate is alarming, with more frequent and severe weather events such as heat waves, wildfires, and hurricanes. These occurrences are part of a larger pattern signaling a rapidly warming planet. This documentary will delve into the science behind these changes, exploring the data and models that project future heat levels. We'll examine the implications for our planet if current trends continue and discuss potential outcomes based on different levels of climate action. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive understanding of climate change, its historical context, and the urgency of addressing it. As we move forward, you'll see how our actions or inactions will shape the world of 2050. Stay with us as we unravel the complexities of climate change and explore what lies ahead. As we delve into future heat projections, it's crucial to understand the science behind these predictions. Scientists employ a range of methods to forecast future temperatures, drawing on both historical data and sophisticated climate models. By analyzing past climate patterns, we can discern trends that inform our forecasts. These predictions are refined using advanced simulations that account for numerous variables, painting a comprehensive picture of what the future holds. Predictive models are at the heart of this process, combining data sources to project how our climate will evolve. As we unravel the intricacies of these projections, it becomes clear how critical they are in planning for the future. You'll see how these scientific methods inform our understanding of current climate trends, setting the stage for the potential scenarios that lie ahead. In recent years, we've witnessed unprecedented temperature records being shattered across the globe. Extreme weather events, raging wildfires, devastating floods, and relentless heat waves have become more frequent and severe. These are not mere anomalies. They are clear indicators of a rapidly warming planet. Climate scientists have been sounding the alarm, linking these patterns directly to human-induced global warming. Current data shows a consistent rise in global temperatures, with the past decade being the hottest on record. This trend poses serious threats to our ecosystems, economies, and way of life. As the planet continues to warm, the frequency and intensity of weather extremes are expected to rise, bringing about unpredictable and potentially catastrophic impacts. The data leaves little room for doubt. We are facing a climate crisis of unprecedented proportions. Understanding these current trends is crucial to projecting what the future holds if we remain on this trajectory. You'll see how these patterns shape our predictions for 2050 and explore what actions we can take to alter this perilous course. If humanity continues on its current path without significant action, the future looks increasingly bleak. Temperatures are projected to rise dramatically, transforming weather patterns and profoundly impacting ecosystems and human life. Habitats will be altered irreversibly, endangering countless species. Human communities will face more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and other climate-related challenges. Our cities could become inhospitable, and food and water security will be under constant threat. The fabric of life as we know it is at stake. This business-as-usual scenario highlights the consequences of inaction. But this is not the only path we can take. You'll see how different levels of action can alter our future projections. We'll explore the outcomes of moderate measures and aggressive interventions, showing that our choices today will shape the world of tomorrow. Stay with us as we delve into these future scenarios, demonstrating that change is within our grasp if we act decisively. With moderate action, we can slow down the rate of temperature rise. Partial measures, though not the ultimate solution, have substantial potential. By implementing these strategies, we might avoid the most extreme heat forecasts. However, moderate action comes with caveats. Temperatures will still rise, but at a more controlled pace. This allows ecosystems and human communities to adapt, reducing immediate impacts. It's not enough to completely reverse climate trends. but it offers a more manageable future. The impacts of mitigated temperature rise include fewer extreme weather events and a more stable environment overall. Every effort counts. From here, let's delve into the benefits of more aggressive, comprehensive actions. How can we further secure a stable and sustainable climate for future generations? Stay with us as we uncover the transformative power of significant climate action. Together, we can envision a future where the choices we make today shape a healthier, more resilient planet. Imagine a future where we aggressively tackle climate change. Significant measures are implemented worldwide, pushing for renewable energy, cutting emissions, and enhancing our natural carbon sinks. As a result, the projected temperature rise is minimal. This effort not only stabilizes our climate, but also leads to remarkable positive outcomes. Ecosystems thrive, extreme weather events diminish, and future generations inherit a more sustainable world. This scenario shows us what's achievable when we act decisively and urgently. Aggressive action isn't just a possibility, it's a pathway to a resilient and stable future. As we move forward, we'll delve into the technological innovations that could support this transformation. As climate change accelerates, technological innovations offer a beacon of hope. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are now more efficient and accessible than ever. These technologies harness natural forces to generate clean, sustainable energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. In parallel, carbon capture technologies are making strides. By capturing and storing carbon dioxide from industrial emissions, we can significantly decrease the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. Beyond that, climate engineering presents radical yet promising approaches. Techniques like solar radiation management aim to reflect sunlight and cool the earth. These technological solutions are crucial in our fight against rising temperatures and extreme weather events. The integration and amplification of these innovations will be vital. But technology alone isn't the panacea. What comes next involves how we govern and implement these solutions on a broader scale. Next, we'll delve into the policies and legislation necessary to turn technological promises into tangible realities. Policy and legislation are cornerstones in our fight against climate change. At the international level, agreements like the Paris Accord set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. These global commitments are essential for ensuring collective action across nations. However, the foundation of effective climate policy is often built at the national level. Countries implement regulations, create incentives for renewable energy, and develop strategies to mitigate the impact of climate change on their citizens. But the power of policy doesn't stop there. Locally, cities and municipalities are pioneering initiatives that directly influence community behavior and environmental resilience. Local governments adopt policies that encourage sustainable practices, from green building standards to urban planning that reduces carbon footprints. Each layer of policy and legislation, whether it be international treaties, national laws, or local ordinances, plays a pivotal role in shaping our collective response to climate change. It's a multifaceted approach that requires coordination, innovation, and unwavering commitment. You'll see how community and individual actions also contribute significantly to this global effort. Community initiatives and individual actions hold the power to shift the tide in the battle against climate change. From grassroots movements advocating for local changes to individuals altering their daily habits, every effort counts. Imagine neighborhoods coming together to create green spaces, reducing urban heat, and enhancing community bonds. Picture individuals opting for sustainable transport, minimizing their carbon footprints, and inspiring others around them. These actions, though seemingly small, accumulate and create a ripple effect that can lead to substantial environmental benefits. Grassroots organizations play a pivotal role by driving local projects and raising awareness. These community-driven efforts often catalyze larger movements, drawing attention to critical issues and prompting broader action. Meanwhile, individual lifestyle changes, such as reducing energy consumption, embracing renewable energy sources, and supporting sustainable businesses, significantly contribute to long-term climate goals. The collective impact of these efforts cannot be overstated. By fostering a culture of sustainability and responsibility, communities and individuals can lead the charge toward a more resilient future. Stay tuned as we explore even more ways we can all contribute. We've journeyed through the pressing realities and future scenarios of climate change, unveiling a world that could rise or fall based on our choices. Today, you stand at a pivotal moment. The future of our planet hinges on the actions we take now. Climate change is not an abstract problem. It's here, it's impacting us, and it's escalating. Throughout this documentary, we've seen the highs and lows of our possible futures. From catastrophic predictions to hopeful solutions, the power to tip the balance lies with each of us. Here's the urgent truth: we must act swiftly. Transition to renewable energy, support policies that combat climate change, make sustainable choices in our daily lives, and inspire others to do the same. You have the power to make a difference. Be part of the movement. Join the fight against climate change today. Together, we can build a sustainable future where our children and grandchildren can thrive. The time to act is now. Visit our website, follow the steps outlined, and become a climate warrior. Every action counts. Every moment matters. Let's secure the future of our planet together. Thank you for watching, and remember, the change starts with you.